Y'all are gonna have to tell me what this is. I made it, and I'm getting ready to get a bite. Check it out. First thing we do is throw our potatoes in the oven. Now we simply just cut our bottom round into little chunks, and then dice. Throw our meat chunks into a pot. 1 container of beef stock. We're gonna add in some Dano's Original. That's the green top. You can see about how much we got. I'm gonna put about half of that in there. I'll save the other little bit, put that underneath my pillow for damn good dreams. We're gonna power boil this for about an hour until it gets nice and tender. And one might wonder, well Dan, what's a power boil? Well, a power boil is when you boil with power. Yeah, like you boil and you don't stop boiling, you just keep boiling. It's power boil. It's been 45, 50 minutes, an hour, I don't know. I had to turn it down a little low. You can see we lost a lot of our moisture, but we're getting down to just the meat. So let me get the little sample here. Oh yeah, it's just right, nice and tender. Add your 1 little bag of mixed vegetables. So what we're gonna do to thicken this up is we're gonna add a little bit more beef stock, and then we're gonna add our cornstarch slurry to thicken it up and make it more like a stew. Our cornstarch, that's all we got. Oh no. Never mind, I was just kidding. We got a little bit more water and mix it up. Now we add in our slurry. You can see it's starting to thicken up, and I think we might be good. Cut your tater in half. Hollow out your potato just like you would a twice-baked potato. Leave a little bit in there. Have it looking just like that. All right, now take your perfectly cooked stew and put it right in the middle of them taters. We give it a sprinkling of a little spicy Dano's. And don't worry, if you're cooking for your family, that much is not gonna turn it super spicy. They won't even know. Get you a potato ricer. We fill that thing up. We just give it a squeeze. Now we go into our 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes. Time to get a bite. You know what I'm gonna call that? Dantastic. Yum yum, get you some.